while the Sensex fell over 1,687 points to settle at 57,107. The broader Nifty lost nearly 509 points to end at 17,026 on Friday. This was the second time this week that the premier indices have lost nearly 2%. This week itself, Sensex has lost around 2,100 points since its highs on October 19, 2021. It is down around 4,700 points or 7.5%. So why is it falling? The markets are currently weighed down by various factors. Rising COVID cases in Europe and other geographies is one factor. A fresh concern over new COVID variant strain in South Africa has raised fresh concerns in India and has unnerved the markets once again. Rising inflation in the US and expectations of US Federal Reserve going in for faster than expected tapering of its stimulus program and earlier than expected hike in interest rates is another factors. If US increases the pace of wrapping its stimulus program and starts increasing rates earlier than expected, it would lead to an outflow of funds from emerging economies including India, which would impact the stock markets. Over the last 3 trading sessions, FPIs have pulled out a net of 14,700 crore rupees from Indian equities, and thereby resulting in the sharp decline in indices. What should investors do now? Experts say that the current decline in markets driven by near-term concerns is something that should not bother investors too much. Market participants say that as the domestic economic recovery remains on track and the pace of vaccinations in India is good, they say that these dips should be seen as investment entry points by investors who are underweight equities. It is also important to note that long-term investors should not sell their holdings in panic, but only do so if their investment targets have been met and they are in need of funds.